Good morning, everybody. Okay, so today we are going to learn about before, after, and between numbers. So, before starting, are you ready with your pencil, eraser, and textbook? Yes? Okay. So, have you done your homework which I gave? That is, writing numbers from 1 to 10 with the correct spellings in the rough notebook. Did you all practice at home? Did you do it or not? Okay, fine, no problem. Okay, so in today's class we will be learning about before, after, and between numbers. So first we will start with before number. So what is mean by before? What is the meaning of the word before? Before means earlier, right? So the number which comes earlier to a given number, that is called as the before number. Now look at this example. We are going to see the number which comes before 10. So can you just tell and see which number comes before 10? Can you just tell orally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So before 10 what number we told? 9. So 9 is the before number, correct? So there is one more way of finding the before number. Okay, so look at this picture. This is called as the number line. See, can you see one line here? This blue line. This is a line and some numbers are written over it, correct? So since numbers are written on this line is called as the number line. So using this number line also we can find the before number. Okay, so what is the method to find? So we want to find the before number of 10. Okay, so when we want to find the before number, we should move one step backward in the number line. Okay, so starting from 10, we are going to go one step backward. So starting at 10, we moved one step backward. So where did we reach? We reached 9. So 9 is the before number. Okay, so when you are moving backward in a number line, what we get is the before number. If you are going one step backward, what we get in the number line is the before number. Okay, can we see one more example? We are going to find the before number for 6, before number of 6, right? So we can tell it orally and see. You can tell orally and see which number comes before 6. Tell me what number comes before 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the number that we told before 6 is 5. This is one way of finding before number. The other way is using the number line. So what is our first step? Starting with 6, we are going to go one step backward. Okay, so starting at 6, we are going one step backward. So where did we reach? We reached 5. So 5 is the before number of 6. Yes, it is easy, right? So how to remember this? Before number means you should go backward. Before also starts with letter B. Backward also starts with letter B. So in the number line, if you go one step backward, you will get before number BB. That is how you can remember it. Okay. Okay, now see some practice questions are given. What is the number given here? 10. Is 10 a single digit number or a two digit number? 10 is what number? One digit or two digit? Yes, 10 is a two digit number. So for this number, we are going to find the before number. Yes, tell me what is the before number of 10? Yes, 9 is the before number. What about this number? 6. 6 is a one digit number or a two digit number? Okay, it is a one digit number and we are going to find its before number. What comes before 6? Yes, 5. Are you clear with this? Okay. Now we will be moving on to next topic. This one is after numbers. So what is mean by after? What is the meaning of the word after? After means next. Whatever number comes next to the given number, those numbers are after number. Correct? Okay. Now see the example. We are going to find the after number of 2. So we are going to find the number which comes after 2 or which comes next to 2. Right? Okay, now tell orally and see which number comes next to 2. 1, 2, 3. So what comes after 2? 3. Right? So 3 is the after number. This is one way of finding. What is the other way? Using the number line. So what we are going to do? Starting at 2, we are going one step forward. For before number, we moved one step backward, right? So for after number, we are going to go one step forward. So starting at 2, when we moved one step forward, we reach the number 3. So 3 is the after number of 2, right? Okay. Now one more example. We are going to find after number of 4. After 4, what number comes after 4? Just tell orally and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the number that comes after 4 is 5. That is to tell mentally and orally and see. The other way is to use the number line, right? So we should start at 4 and move one step forward, right? So starting at 4, we moved one step forward. So where did we reach? Yes, 5. So 5 is the after number of 4. So after 4 comes the number 5. Pretty easy, right? Yes, I know you already know all this. Okay, now tell me what number comes after 2. Yeah, easy peasy. 3 comes after 2. What about 4? What number comes after 4? Yes, 5 comes after 4, right? Okay. Next one. Next one is between numbers. What is the meaning of the word between? Between means in the middle. There are some two objects are there on the both the sides and something is in the middle. That is called as between. So here what we are going to see is there are two numbers on both its sides and we are going to see the number which comes between in the middle of both these numbers. Okay. Now see we are going to find the between number of 1 and 3. Now look at this number line. Where is 1 here? 1 is here. Where is 3? So what is in the middle of 1 and 3? 2. So 2 is called the between number. So the number that comes between 1 and 3 is 2. That comes between 1 and 3 is 2. Is it clear? Okay. Can we see one more example? Number that comes between 5 and 7. Now we are going to find the number that comes between 5 and 7. So we are first marking where is a number 5. Right? Where is a number 5? See here it is marked. 5 is marked here. And where is the number 7? 7 is marked here. Now we are going to see the number that comes in the middle of 5 and 7. That is in between 5 and 7. What comes in between 5 and 7? 6. So 6 is the between number, which means 6 comes between 5 and 7. Is it clear? Okay. Now some practice questions. See, we have given two numbers 1 and 3. So what will come in between 1 and 3? Yeah, 2, right? Okay. Next one, 5 and 7. So what comes between 5 and 7? Yes, 6. So 6 comes between 5 and 7. Is it clear? So we learnt about before numbers, we learnt about after numbers, and now we learnt about between numbers. So in the number line, if you move one step backward, we will get before number. Backward step, before number. B, B. Right? If you move one step forward in the number line, what you get is after number. So when you are finding a number which is in the middle of any two numbers, that is the between numbers. Clear? Okay. Now take your book, open the page number 19. Open page number 19, 1919. Can you see at the bottom of this page? Try this. Can you see this? Yes? Okay, now read the question with me. Question number 1. Which number comes before 1? So you have to tell me the number that comes before 1. What number comes before 1? What number? Yes, pretty easy, right? The number that comes before 1 is 0. Now question number 2. Write down 0 there in the dash. Okay, question number 2, read with me. Which number comes in between 1 and 3? Just now we saw that example, right? Yes, what comes? 2. 2 comes between 1 and 3. Third one, which number comes after 0? So what number comes after 0? Yeah, pretty easy. I know you are all so smart, you can do it, right? Okay, now turn the next page. Turn to the next page, page number 2020. Practice. Can you see that? Okay, now put your finger on question number 1. In your textbook, look in your textbook and read with me. Write the number that comes just after the given number. 1 has been done for you. Okay, so what we have to find? You have to find the after number. You have to find the after number. After number means the number that comes next to the given number. Yes? Okay. Now the first butterfly is done. First question is done. Now let us go to the second one. What is the number given here? 5. 5 is given. Can you see? Yes. Now in this side you have to write the number that comes after 5. What comes after 5? Pretty easy. Yeah, write quickly. 6. Now go to the next butterfly. Left side is 2. What is there on the left side of butterfly? 2. So what will come after 2? Yeah, write quickly. Write quickly. Done? Okay, next one. Next butterfly has a question 9. Okay, so we are going to find the number that comes after 9. What is the number that comes after 9? Yes, 10. The first 2-digit number. Right? Yeah. So write 10 there. Completed? Okay. The next butterfly. 1 is given there. So what comes after 1? 2. Yes. Easy. Easy peasy. All questions right. 6. What comes after 6? 7. Yes. What about 3? The number that comes after 3 is? 3 is 4. Yes. Check the answer that you wrote in your textbook. Check the answer with the answer that is shown on the screen. Check if both are same or not. Done? Okay. Now question number 2. Write the number that comes just before the given number. 1 has been done for you. Okay, so now we are going to write the before number. Okay, the first one is already done. Now we are going to do the second one. What number is given here? 3. So what comes before 3? What comes? Yes, 2. 2 comes before 3. Next one, 8. 8 is given. So what number comes before 8? 7. Very good. So 7 comes before 8. And what about 5? What comes before 5? 4. Very good. So 4 comes before 5. Done? Second, everybody is done with the second question? Okay. Now moving on to third. Read with me. Write the number that comes in between the given numbers. 1 has been done for you. So the first one is already completed. We will move on to the second one. Right side. 7 blank 9. So we have to write the number that comes in between 7 and 9. So tell me which comes between 7 and 9. What number is there? Which comes between 7 and 9? It is, yeah, easy one, right? 8. 8 is our number that comes between 7 and 9. Now left hand side, come down. 5 and 7. So what number comes between 5 and 7? So the number that comes between 5 and 7 is, yes, 6. So inside the star you have to write the number 6. Correct? Okay, last one. Very simple, dead easy. 1 and 3. The number that comes between 1 and 3 is 2. Right? So the number that comes between 1 and 3 is 2. So this page is completed, right? So check the answer. Check the answer that you wrote in your textbook with the answer that is shown on the screen. Check if both are same or not. Yes? Done? Both are same? Okay. So with this, today's topic is over. So we learnt about before numbers, we learnt about after numbers, and we learnt about between numbers. Right? Okay. So we will meet in the next session. Thank you. Bye-bye.